Hey guys, today we are going to be replacing this air filter with a K&N air filter, which is right here. I've never used a K&N filter before, so we're actually going to give this a try on our 2013 Toyota Tundra. So let's get started. The first thing is there's a clip right here. We will unclip. There's another one right here. We'll unclip. There's one right here on the back side. And we'll get this clip on the back side. There's a clip right there. Okay. Lift this up. Lift this up here. And pull this out. I mean, this filter looks pretty clean. So take a look. Here's the old one. This is the new K&N. It's thinner. Oh, it comes with a sticker I can put on my. This is definitely add horsepower right here, just by putting this sticker in the back windshield. I don't know if the air filter will do anything, but definitely that sticker will make a big difference. So yeah, I've read a lot of different things about these filters because of the oil that's used, that it may mess up your map sensor, which is right here. But you know, we'll see. So go ahead and set that in there. I mean, it's got, I don't know if you can see this in the camera, but there's like this mesh with a charcoal filter in here as well to kind of keep anything else that would get through here, I guess. An additional filter. So, you know, I'm sure we're fine. No big deal. Clip these clips back down. So there's one. There's the second one. Third one. It's right there. And the last one, I believe, is right there. Okay. All right. So that's how you replace the air filter on a 2013 Toyota Tundra. Let me know, are you guys using K&N filters? What do you think of them? There were two stickers that came with the filter. This one is to put on the filter cover so that the next person that changes it knows that not to throw the filter away. And this is the performance sticker. So that you can gain some additional performance by putting this on your back windshield. Thanks for watching. Hope this video helped. Please consider subscribing.